Ever thought of turning everyday tasks into a profitable business? Join me as I share 11 super simple service businesses you can kick off today with little to no investment. You can start these businesses with minimal to no upfront costs and without needing extensive skills or tools. This makes them ideal for you to begin on your own or to manage through subcontractors, similar to an Uber-style business model. My goal with this video is to show you that it's possible to earn money by performing simple, everyday tasks for others. I'll also provide examples of companies in these fields, including how much they charge and how much revenue they generate. You'll be surprised at how profitable these simple services can be. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, remote job opportunities, and side hustles. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video and explore 11 surprisingly simple service businesses you could start today. Trash can service. The first idea is a service where you bring people's trash cans to the curb and then return them after they've been emptied. This may sound too simple to be profitable, but a company called Can Monkey is making $3 million annually by offering this service. Can Monkey initially catered to residential customers, people who were out of town or elderly individuals needing help with their trash cans, but they grew slowly that way. Now, their primary customers are Airbnb hosts and property management companies that need someone to manage the trash for properties with frequent tenant turnover. Can Monkey operates in several cities, gaining 600 new customers each month, and charges $49 per month for this service. The business is extremely simple and has very little competition, making it an excellent opportunity to start in your own city. You can easily begin by reaching out to Airbnb hosts and property management companies, many of which manage multiple properties. Dog poop removal. The second business idea is dog poop removal, which involves visiting people's homes to pick up and dispose of their pet waste. This service requires minimal tools, just a trash bag and a pooper scooper. One company, Sin Poop and Scoop, generates 6 figures annually by offering this service. The owner of this business also runs a YouTube channel where she discusses how to start a poop removal business. Her company charges $87 per month for weekly cleanings, $65 per month for bi-weekly cleanings, and $156 per month for twice-weekly cleanings. Most of her revenue comes from recurring customers who pay for weekly cleanings, but she also earns from one-time cleanings and spring cleanups. This business can be operated by yourself or through subcontractors, allowing for expansion into multiple cities. Parking lot cleanup. The third idea is parking lot cleanups for commercial properties. Brian Welsh, who discussed his experience on the Side Hustle Nation podcast, earns $650,000 annually from this business. He refers to it as the simplest business in America. Welsh operates cleanlots.com, where he explains how to get started and build a client base. The work is typically done early in the morning or late at night when the parking lots are not busy, making it a flexible side hustle or a subcontractor-based business. He advises targeting medium-sized parking lots, like those at strip malls, as they often don't have a regular cleaning service. This business offers recurring revenue from regular clients and can be easily scaled by contracting work out to others, laundry pickup, and drop-off. The fourth business idea is a laundry pickup and drop-off service. You pick up customers' laundry, wash it, and return it, neatly folded. I came across a company called Pallet that operates with subcontractors across the country. They have 115,000 work-from-home laundry pros nationwide who pick up, wash, and deliver laundry. They process 3 million loads annually. This business can be run locally or on a larger scale using subcontractors. If you choose to operate locally, Targeting commercial customers like restaurants that require regular laundry service can be highly profitable. Renting out laborers for moving. The fifth idea is renting out laborers to assist with moving. This isn't a full-scale moving company. No trucks are needed. Instead, you simply provide extra hands to help with moving tasks. A company called Community Labor Partnership earns between $600,000 to $700,000 per year by offering this service remotely through subcontractors. They don't spend on SEO or Google Ads. Instead, they advertise on Craigslist and partner with storage facilities, offering them a commission for referrals. The business model is simple. The customer pays $50 online as a down payment, which Community Labor Partnership keeps, and another $50 directly to the laborer upon completion of the job. This straightforward approach makes it an easy business to manage and scale. Trash can cleaning. The sixth idea is trash can cleaning, which involves cleaning out people's trash cans. This service can be offered regularly, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. There's an entire industry around this, and some people are earning six-figure incomes annually by cleaning trash cans. The service itself is quite straightforward and can be done by yourself or subcontracted out with minimal tools. A pressure washer and some soap are sufficient to get started. Although some companies use large automated trucks, you can start off with just a pressure washer and soap. According to Google Trends, searches for trash can cleaning have increased over recent years, as evidenced by data from 2021 to 2023. When looking at Ahrefs, the keyword difficulty for trash can cleaning is 14 out of 100, which falls on the lower end of medium, making it relatively easy to rank for. Pricing services vary. For instance, Tidy Trash Bins charges $50 for a one-time cleaning of 2 bins, while a monthly service every 4 weeks costs $30 for 2 bins with an additional $5 per extra bin. Another service charges $22.95 monthly for 2 cans, with $50 for every extra can. You can either use specialized trucks or start with a pressure washer and soap, targeting residential or commercial customers. For instance, contacting homeowners associations, HOAs, or property management companies can open doors for larger opportunities, like cleaning dumpsters at businesses. The business model offers recurring revenue. Once a customer is acquired, they'll pay you monthly. Building a customer base and a regular route is key. You could also subcontract the labor, making it a manageable and recurring revenue stream that doesn't require extensive expertise. Just a pressure washer and soap. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Mattress and couch cleaning. The seventh idea is mattress and couch cleaning, which involves deep cleaning mattresses and couches in people's homes. Pricing includes $265 for cleaning a sectional sofa, $165 for a regular sofa, $125 for a love seat, $75 for a reclining chair, and $149 for a king-size mattress. These services can be quite lucrative, as most households have multiple couches or mattresses that need cleaning. Mattress and couch cleaning are low-competition keywords, making it easy to rank for these services. For instance, mattress cleaning service has a 0 difficulty score on Ahrefs, with 1,500 searches per month for that exact keyword. This doesn't even include related searches like Mattress Cleaning Service Miami, Mattress Cleaning Services, or Mattress Cleaning Service Near Me, meaning there's considerable search volume with minimal competition. Professional couch cleaning has a difficulty score of 2, with 1,400 searches per month. Building a website around these keywords could allow you to rank easily in various cities and send subcontractors to complete the work without needing extensive SEO, industrial byproduct flipping. Eighth on the list is industrial byproduct flipping. This involves approaching commercial businesses, such as warehouses, and acquiring items like pallets, cardboard crates, or spools, often for free, and then reselling them to other businesses. There's a guy from the simplest business who details how he sometimes earns over $1,000 in a single day flipping pallets. He would visit warehouse districts, asking if they had old pallets they needed to get rid of. Most of the time, he'd get these pallets for free, then take them to a pallet yard and sell them for $2.50 per pallet, making a decent profit. Eventually, he realized the pallet yard was reselling the pallets to businesses, so he bypassed the pallet yard and started selling directly to the businesses, often within the same warehouse district. He explains his method on his website and offers guidance on starting a similar business. For example, on a typical day, he picked up 125 pallets at 7:30 a.m. from one business, free of charge, and then drove just 3.5 miles to sell them for $7 per pallet, making $875 in gross profit from just 50 minutes of work. He was also given 160 corrugated boxes for free by a tractor business, which he then sold. This is a simple, profitable business model that anyone can learn and execute with minimal upfront costs. Cardboard removal. The 9th idea is cardboard removal. Many people find their cardboard piling up in their garage, often too much to fit in their regular recycling bins. You could even charge extra if the cardboard isn't broken down, taking away the inconvenience for the homeowner. Dead animal removal. The 10th business idea is dead animal removal. Typically, removing a single dead animal can cost anywhere between $200 and $600. And if the animal is in a hard-to-reach location, like an attic or crawl space, the cost can go up to $1,000. You can also offer this service to cities, for example, by cleaning up roadkill. It doesn't require any special skills, and many people don't even want to deal with a dead animal, let alone clean it up. If you're comfortable with this type of work, there's a significant opportunity to create a website dedicated to dead animal removal. You can then subcontract pest removal companies to perform the service, taking a cut for yourself and paying them a portion. Ranking for dead animal removal online is easy, with a difficulty score of 1 out of 102,400 searches per month. This number doesn't even account for variations like dead animal removal near me, or specific locations like Dead Animal Removal San Diego. There's a large search volume with low competition, making it a simple service to offer. Light bulb and smoke detector replacement. Finally, the 11th idea is light bulb and smoke detector replacement services. This would involve replacing light bulbs and smoke detectors, primarily targeting commercial businesses, such as Airbnbs and property owners. You can also target commercial clients who need tube lights and other fixtures replaced. There's a lot of potential in this service. While some handyman companies offer light bulb changing as an additional service, you could focus exclusively on this, offering it to commercial properties, Airbnbs, and even rental property owners who would likely pay for this service. When targeting commercial customers, it's often easier to secure business compared to residential customers. You can approach property management companies directly, offering them the service rather than having to contact each individual residential customer. Moreover, many property owners have multiple locations, meaning that landing one client could lead to work across several sites. Looking at the pricing for this service, it seems there's a $75 minimum service fee for coming out, $7 for each standard light bulb, and $20 for any specialty light bulbs. For commercial jobs, the fees are a $100 minimum to come out, $15 for standard light bulbs, and $35 for specialty light bulbs. These jobs might also involve changing signage at businesses. Whether you do the work yourself or subcontract it out to handymen or electricians, there's a lot of potential in this simple service. You can send out the jobs, take a portion of the fee, and pay the subcontractors their share. I hope these 11 simple business ideas have sparked some inspiration for you. Thanks for watching. If you love this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.